Hey up sports bike fans, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got to sell this. It is a Kawasaki ZX10R, gorgeous little thing. Anyway, to me and thee, it's a Ninja, and this one is an anniversary model. They come with power modes, traction control. This has also been spec'd with ABS, which isn't standard on this model. Yeah, great extras as well. It's got the Bonamici extras, so you got the levers there, clip-ons, rear sets. Not to mention the Akrapovic exhaust and decat, braided hoses, tail tidy. I'm going to run out of breath in a second. Screen on there as well. Yeah. Plus the old R&G protection to keep us safe. And right, let's give us a start up so we can hear the noise. Wow, you definitely know this is a beast of a sports bike. Anyway guys, we've showed you this one. It's done 11,698 miles and it is a 2015 plate. You wouldn't know it, it is stunning. Anyway, we've seen the bike. All you need to do, give us a call, drop us a Facebook message, send us an email, or the best thing, come in and say hello to the sales guys. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.